Are you looking for the next big thing in small businesses that is not only easy, but you can earn up to $1,000 weekly? Well, stick around because I'm about to reveal the highest paying print on demand idea that is taking over 2024, 2025, and beyond. Forget about the traditional product. This print on demand strategy is a game changer and no one is talking about it. And the best part is you can start with no upfront cost. I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to get started, where to sell, and how you can scale your business to earn passive income daily. Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Drum rolls for you. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. So we are basically finding new ways you can earn money from the online space and implementing on our personal lives. If these are the kind of topics you're interested in, then you want to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on other tips on how you can earn money from the online space. I know the first question on your mind is, what is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model whereby products such as t-shirts, books, mugs are designed, uploaded on a particular platform, and then when a customer places an order, these items are printed. This actually eliminates the need to hold product in bulk. Now, let me explain this again for those of you who are hearing about print on demand for your first time. So what you do is you create a custom design, you upload on platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, Printify, and when a customer buys this, the company prints it and ships this for you. This simply means that you do not handle any inventory, you do not handle the product, and neither do you handle the shipping. Amazing. All you have to do is to design, upload, sit and relax and let the company do the work for you while you receive the earnings directly into your account. Isn't this amazing? Here's the catch. The new high-paying niche on print and demand that you can queue into this 2024-2025 and maximize your earnings. We have things like luxury pet apparel, we have mock-ups, we have t-shirts for weddings, for anniversaries, for funerals. You want to create things like this, matching pajamas. This is the period where there is a lot of festivity and people want to give thanks for coming with things like that. Take a look at something like this. This is from a company, and take a look at another one like this one right here from Colgate. This is what a lot of companies are doing right now to say thank you to their clients, to their customer, to make sure that they come back again. So this is a small business you want to queue into right now because I consider it to be one of the laziest ways you can earn money from the online space, because you have to do this just once and you can now sell it and keep earning over and over again. Also, pet owners are spending ridiculous amounts of money to get things like clothes for their dogs, to have designs for their dogs, beds, and all that. You want to make sure you create print on demand like this to maximize your earning on this street. The beauty of this business is that you do not need to start up with any dime. Now, I know some of you will be like, this is not true, but the only thing you need to start up with is your internet connection, your smartphone, and or your laptop, because you can use your smartphone to do this. Now, here's what you do. Go to a platform like Printify or Teespring. You create your accounts for free. These platforms are totally free. You create your account, then you can go over to another platform like Canva and design these custom designs. I mean, Canva has a free version and Canva has a pro version, but you do not need to upgrade to pro when you're starting out. You can start creating your designs using the free version on Canva, and when you start earning from this print on demand, you can now upgrade to whatever level you want to. So you can try out Canva for free, and if you want to know more about this, let me know on the comments. Design whatever you want to design, whether they are t-shirts, whether they are mugs, whether they are books, whether they are journals. You can do all this for free. Then you go back to the platform you have selected. It might be Printify, it might be Teespring. You upload these designs and boom, you are in business. Amazing, right? If you love the research so far, you want to give me the thumbs up, click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that it will help this channel to reach as many people as possible. And also do not forget to share, because someone out there might just need your help on this. Now, let's talk about where you can sell this. Don't just limit yourself to a particular platform. You can maximize your earnings by selling on 5 different platforms or 2, 3, depending on you. Remember, there is no much work to do. You can design a mug like this and you sell on 5 different platforms. It all depends on you. Do you have the time? And even if you don't have the time, you have to do this just once, and you can go to 5 different platforms and just upload right there, relax, while the company is doing the work for you and you are earning money in your account every other day. You can use platforms like Redbubble, you can use Etsy, you can use Amazon, you can use Shopify, you can use Printify to sell your print on demand. It all depends on you. All these platforms are free. They also have an upgraded version, but you can start with the free version. When you have started earning the dollars, you can now upgrade to any level that you want. Now that your product is live, you need eyes on it. This is a strategy that will help you blow up your sales. You want to go on a platform like Instagram, create a theme page, and then you upload your custom designs right there. And when you upload it, make sure you paste the link of the platform that you are using to sell this print on demand, so that when anyone clicks on it, the person can be redirected to the platform. If you're using Printify, the person will go directly there. If you're using Etsy, the link will take the person directly to your shop, and the person will be able to buy from you. You can also use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use your WhatsApp status to do the same. Make sure you maximize any social media platform that you're using to upload your print on demand and your link, so that the people who come across that will go directly to buying your print on demand, and you'll be getting to the bank every other day. The secret sauce that can help you blow up your sales also is for you to create a subscription box, and you charge a monthly fee for that. So you can earn money through your subscription box, and you can also earn through the other platforms that you are selling your print on demand on. So print on demand is one of those small businesses that a lot of people are not yet aware of, but the industry is growing rapidly. Everyone wants to have a print on demand at some point in their life. You would see families, they are celebrating anniversaries, they are celebrating Black kids, they are celebrating this and that, and they want matching pajamas, they want mock-ups, they want t-shirts, they want gifts, and a lot of things. So you want to queue into this now that it's not yet saturated. Don't wait until 2025 or 2026 when the business or the industry has become very saturated, and then you would meet a lot of competition that you cannot meet up to. Remember, when you keep practicing on your designs and on the different platforms to sell on, you would improve on your design skills, and you would also know what exactly you can do more to earn more, to maximize your earnings, and which of the platforms that you can sell on. And one thing about these platforms is that it is free right now, but if the market becomes very saturated in 2025, then the company will want to increase maybe their charges for premium, or you will not have a free version at all. So make sure you queue into this now and start earning money before these companies try to think otherwise not to have a free version. So there you have it. You can start up a small business on print and demand and earn a lot of money. And I consider this as one of the laziest ways to earn money, because you just have to do this once and you keep earning money over and over again. Remember, one mug, you can sell one mug to as many people as possible, or one t-shirt design to as many people as possible. So you're doing this once and you are earning money passively every other year, every other day, depending on how business goes for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and please do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. This will help the algorithm of YouTube to send this video to as many people as possible. And also, you can share this with your friends, your family, so that someone somewhere can benefit from a new side hustle. You want to click on that notification bell so you will not miss out on our next video right here. And until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never give up on whatever you do in life. Remember, I am here rooting for you. If you fall short anywhere on any of the videos on this platform, go to the comments and state your worry right there, and I'll be there to help you out in less than no time. Love you. Bye-bye.